Welcome to the introduction on how to install a trial version of GData Antivirus, Client Security, or Endpoint Protection Business. Each trial version has the full range of features just as a paid license. No limitations, no restrictions. First, download the trial version. Here, we are going to use Endpoint Protection. You'll receive an email with the download link and with your access data. The heart of all GData's corporate solutions is the management server. This can be installed on a physical machine as well as on a virtual one, as long as it runs Microsoft Windows. An online connection is required to activate the trial license and to load virus signature updates. After downloading and unpacking the installation file, start the application setup.exe. Select GData Management Server. This is the first step for each new installation. When prompted to select the server type, choose Install a main server. The main server is the foundation for all of the following configurations. For your testing environment, we recommend using the Microsoft SQL Express database, which is included in the GData setup. Alternatively, you can use an existing SQL server on your network. Now, start the installation. After the installation is completed, activate the trial license by selecting Enter Access Data and provide the credentials you received via email. On the desktop, you'll find a link to the graphical interface of the management server, the GData Administrator. Open it and supply Windows access credentials on an account which has administrator permissions. Leave the other settings unchanged. When first starting the GData Administrator, a server setup wizard will automatically start. You can skip it if you like. It can be started again via the Admin menu at any time. In the Setup wizard, activate a client by entering its name or IP address. When clicking the Next button, you will get to the automatic installation as well as update and email settings. A click on the Finish button starts the installation of the clients. Enter the password of the domain administrator or, alternatively, the credentials of a user account which has administrator permissions on the target machines. Then, choose the client language. In GData Client Security and Endpoint Protection Business, you also have the option to install a client firewall. The installation has been successful when the installation status indicator switches from yellow to green. An alternative way to activate a client without using the Server Setup wizard is to right-click the server name and to select Enable Client, and to then enter the names or IP addresses of the target machines. On the Clients tab, you can then start the installation via the context menu by clicking Install GData Security Client. You can now start configuring your GData installation. For more information on configuring GData Antivirus, Client Security, or Endpoint Protection Business, see our videos or refer to the user's manual. Should you require any assistance during the trial phase, feel free to contact our support team. Even as a trial customer, you will get all the support you need. GData. Trust in German Sicherheit.